Welcome everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to plot the VSWR plot in OriginPro. So first of all I need to export the VSWR plot to OriginPro. To do it in the post processing I need to click on import export and then click on plot data ASCII. And also then if I want to save it on desktop I can select the desktop and let me give it a name over here, for example VSWR. So now this file has been saved on desktop as VSWR. As you can have a look, this file has been saved. Now I cannot plot this data directly into Origin to Pro. Why? Because this data has been exported as a single column. That is why I cannot directly plot it. First of all, I need to copy this data in Excel and then I'm going to export it to Origin Pro. So let me select Ctrl plus A so that the whole data is selected, and let me copy this. And when I copy this, let me open Excel and paste it over here. So I have opened up my Excel. Let me open the blank document and paste. As you can have a look, all the data has been selected in a single cell. So I need to separate this data. To separate this data, I need to come in Excel to the data tab and select text to columns. When I select text to column, this type of window is going to appear. I have delimiter over here, so when I click on delimiter I am going to check box the space and then next and then finish. And now we have the two bunch of data separated. So what I am going to do is that I am going to select this bunch of data and copy it and paste it to the OriginPro. So I have selected this data, now I have copied it, and let me now paste it in the OriginPro. So I'm going to paste this data in the OriginPro. As you can have a look, all the data has been pasted in the OriginPro. This was not possible before because before all the data was in a single cell. After applying some operation in Excel, I have converted this into double cells. Now I can simply select this and by pressing Ctrl also select this and plot this data. Now we have the VSWR plotted over here. Again, if I want to change the x-axis, y-axis, etc., I can change. First of all, let me change the width of this graph to 4. Click on apply. Okay, so now this has been changed to 4. Again, this x label can be changed. Let me name it as voltage standing wave ratio. This is my voltage standing wave ratio and this is my frequency. So let me write frequency n as gigahertz. And again I can change the values of the x-axis. I can change the scale of the x-axis. Uh, let me do it from 20 to 30. I think that will be a better idea. I can click on apply. Fine. And I can also change the increment to 2. So now this looks better now. Similarly for vertical axis I do not need that much. I simply need from 1 to around, for example, 5. That's it. So now this is a very good graph, good VSWR graph. And again the increment is okay, it's fine. And again the other title and format, show measure, show axis and ticks for this as well. And I want the tick labels to be in here also, in apply. Also on the left I want the tick labels to be in and the minor ticks to also be in, and apply. So we have all this cover up. And finally the grid lines, I want to show the major and minor grid lines for both horizontal and vertical work. Apply. So now this is my graph. And one more thing, I also need to show axis for the right, show major axis for the right also. Now this is let me again click on the axis, show major axis, kinetic labels, show major labels. Major labels, okay, it's fine. I think is almost all the almost cover up. Yes. So this is my VSWR plot, and again, if I want, I can change this name as the VSWR plot. I can write it as VSWR of microstrip patch antenna or 5G microstrip patch antenna. Then I can adjust its position over here. So here we go. This is how we plot the graph of the 5G microstrip patch VSWR plot of 5G microstrip patch antenna. And then again, I can export this graph by clicking export and open dialog. I can save it. For example, if I want to save in desktop, I can simply select desktop over here. Desktop, okay, and then click apply. Now this graph will be, this VSWR plot will be exploited. This graph 1. So this is my graph 1, this is my VSWR plot that I plotted now. And this is a very beautiful graph. Thank you.